Good morning, students. Now we'll start psychometry. Psychometry deals with thermodynamic properties of moist air. This air, what we breathe normally, is a combination of dry air plus water vapor. And psychometry studies these properties of the thermodynamic properties of this air and uses these properties to analyze the conditions and processes involved in the moist air. Practitioners in the field of air conditioning design use psychometrics for conceptual and design analysis of industrial drying, heating and cooling process. While the study of pure psychometrics involves a number of different aspects, the present chapter restricts it to the application for use on human comfort in the air conditioning system. So we are basically confined our discussion to the comfort air conditioning system for human beings. Now let us look at air first. Atmospheric air contains water vapor, pollutants and gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. In the absence of water vapor, air is said to be dry. However, dry air does not exist in nature because air has greater affinity for water and consequently atmospheric air always contains some amount of water vapor in it. In atmospheric air, the water vapor contains from 0% to 3% by mass. The term dry air is used to indicate the water-free contents of the air having 0 degree of moisture. Moist air is a mixture of dry air and water vapor. The amount of water vapor present in the moist air from 0 to the maximum that depends on the temperature and pressure. Atmospheric air is taken as moist air. Not to get confused, the common designation air usually means moist air. So we look at the psychometric properties. First is DBT, dry bulb temperature, is the temperature of the moist air as measured by an ordinary thermometer or any other thermometer measuring instrument. DBT is not affected by the moisture content in the mixture. It is denoted by TdB. Wet bulb temperature is the temperature of the moist air measured by a thermometer whose bulb is covered by a wetted wick, gauze, and is exposed to the current of rapid moving air. When the air passes through the wetted wick, the moisture contained in the wick tends to evaporate, thereby producing a cooling effect at the bulb. An equilibrium temperature lower than that the airstream is recorded. Wet bulb temperature gives an indication of how dry or how moist the air is. The WBT is lower than the DBT and the difference is known as wet bulb depression. WT is denoted by TdB. Specific humidity. Specific humidity is defined as the mass of water vapor to the mass of dry air in the given volume of mixture, vapor plus air. It is denoted by omega and expressed as kg vapor per kg of dry air. Omega is equal to mass of water vapor kg in kg divided by mass of dry air in kgs. Absolute humidity is also known as specific humidity or humidity ratio. Second thing is total pressure of moist air, that is dry air plus water vapor, as expressed by the Dalton's law of equation, is the sum of partial pressure of dry air and water vapor. We will consider that air is containing dry air and water vapor, so the total pressure of air is equal to partial pressure of dry air plus partial pressure of water vapor. Relative humidity. Relative humidity is defined as the ratio of the mass of water vapor to the mass of mass of saturated water vapor at the same volume and the same temperature. It is designated as phi and is expressed in percentage. Phi is equal to mass of water vapor in given volume divided mass of saturated vapor at the same volume and temperature. That is PV, partial pressure of vapor, divided by PVS, partial pressure of vapor at saturation. Now come to dew point temperature. Dew point temperature is the temperature at which moist air must be cooled at a constant pressure in order to cause condensation of any of its water vapor. In simple words, it is the temperature at which the moist air becomes saturated, 100% relative humidity. dPT is denoted as TdP. Degree of saturation is defined as the ratio of the actual specific humidity to the specific humidity of the saturated mixture, omega S, at the same temperature, dBT, and pressure. It is denoted by mu. Specific volume is defined